Good morning. I never say good night or anything, right? I always forget those things. But it's Friday and I'm just making breakfast. I look so crusty, y'all. I didn't bath, okay? I did not bath, and it's like 1:30 or something. But it is our lazy day, so it's okay. The TV is loud. I'm gonna switch it off a little bit because I'm screaming. I'm screaming. What's the advert? Yeah, so, oh my god. Okay, bengifuna ukuthi mina ngiyenza breakfast yabo. So, ekwenteni breakfast yami sengiyashisa la ngoba ngicalele vlog, and I was like, I really need to get better at like being like making it ukuthi ihambisane kahle, you know, so I don't seem like I'm just coming out of nowhere. But yeah, I'm making breakfast, and then today is our lazy day. I'm not sure how much of it I'm going to vlog, but it's very gloomy out in Cape Town. So we are spending the day inside the house. So this is what I'm doing. I'm drinking. Gonna like futumeta the Russians, then make some, what is this thing? What is this? Mushrooms. And then we got some aromats. I'm so happy. And some bacon over there. It's messy, chat, I know, but it's a lazy day. Come on. Let me show you the weather real quick, and I can just make food and eat because I am hungry. I'm so hungry. So this is how it's looking. Quite gloomy. Quite the gloomy weather. But yeah, making breakfast now, and then I'll catch y'all later.
So my sister and I literally just spent the day inside the house. We did not do anything. All we did was watch stuff. I watched a little bit of Lihlali, and honestly we watched a whole bunch of stuff which I did not vlog because that's boring. I was just showing y'all that I had a slice of pizza and I was watching stuff. That's it.
Good morning. Yo guys, it's not even morning. Oh my god, I'm so bad. So it's Saturday morning. Sorry about the noise. I'm outside. The background noise probably sounds really terrible, but I'm just having some pizza and wine. Literally, this is the first thing that I've eaten today that I'm going to eat. And let me show y'all the view. I just thought I should just have my pizza with the view. I've shown this view so much now. I think y'all are sick of it, but I'm not. So I'm gonna just have my pizza and wine and get the day started. So yesterday, I want to catch up on yesterday a little bit because I definitely did not vlog all that well. Yeah, well. Yeah, she is and kind of dry, to be honest. Yeah, she's a little dry.
So honestly, it was a bit cold outside. I decided to take my dry ass pizza into the house, and we were listening to this weird but very nice song. Check it out. Check it out. Okay, well, I got a copyright strike from actually playing this song, so this is me talking from after uploading this video just to say I can't play the song for y'all. So I'll link it down below.
Thuốc sườn này, non này chance entrance one. Okay, aquarium.
Yeah, okay, let's do drop and go because
Try 14 biscuits.
Can I go on a buso? Oh yes. Oh wow. I say wow. Hi Zico. How are you? How is you doing? Arriving in 1 minute. Hi Bo, let's go. Voila. Vlog. Seriously. So we're going to Waterfront, going on a seafood date. I'm excited, but I'm hungry.
Yeah. They order something we do not to soup.
Oh no.
The Honda CAA 1.
Yeah, you go open the door.
I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is of the essence. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live for I go. I don't know why I don't want. Turn me out of my mind.
Where are we going?
Okay, y'all, so we hadn't made a decision as to where we are going to eat. So what you are seeing is basically just us going around the food court, I guess, restaurant area of the Waterfront, and just basically checking out everything. And I saw Tang there and I was like, whoa, this is so good. And yeah, it's actually a really nice vibe. Ebusuku, it's just that akubonakali kahle on camera, but it's really, 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 really nice.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Cape Union or something. No, but this is nice. Yeah. It's so nice, yeah. Like the scenery is nice. It's so great. Let me show you. Yeah. What do you want to do? Okay. But we saw a bunch that we like, so yeah, I remember.
Don't say to you,
How does it taste? Really? I think Mama came at the ocean. They probably took them at the ocean.
Let me take a video of you,
Please. But I wanted like to find like something to make it like hold on to its own. I have you. Guys, if you're paying for this water, I'm gonna be so angry. I'm gonna be so angry.
My name is Alice. We're taking care of you. Let me know. You're 3.
Yes. Thank you. What did you order? Thank you so much. What's that?
I forgot.
It looks so cute though. I don't like mine. It looks like a kitty. Like a kitty. She ordered a cappuccino. What is this? It's a latte. It looks nice though. I'm a prawns girl. She wants an oyster, but it looks so good.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Da cover my face, calling me
I said, what the hell is this? What the hell is this? Never gonna eat in the regular soup in a way. What is this orange thing? Are we supposed to eat this thing?
What's it on? All depends.
Good morning. Hi y'all. So last night after dinner I didn't vlog because it was just too much, child. Uber, Bolt, I mean Uber and Bolt go and get like Capetown. Yo, I got to go set how many hours I was in such a bad mood, like go set I think I don't know what this cousin's guys, like it's me Uber. We were so frustrated. But yes, then I told her and then we came back home and then I went to see some friends. And I just came back this morning and now we are going to the beach. I'm excited. Smelly Uber just now. I'm with Mbui. Hi Sisi. Mbui.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Good morning. Yeah, so we just chilling. Lana, waiting for the Uber. We're going to the beach. I'm excited. We only going to the beach once because it's not far, but like accepting Ganyan. So that's that. Last night was quite nice actually. I enjoyed seeing Zipor. I haven't seen that baby in so long. I'm glad she came out to have dinner with us. Had a good time. The food was good, kinda, sorta. Like Stobia's talked guys in seafood. Yeah, this is seafood. Stobia's talked the Uber is here. I'll catch y'all. Master's Figure Beach. Which one is it?
It's a Suzuki something price of CAA.
I think it's the Onizuba.
CA4.
Ooh, gosh. There it is, there it is, there it is. English. Oh no, I was just like, hello, how are you? We're good.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, and like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I want you in my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million.
It's looking just completely beautiful. Just absolutely. Dude, just absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to set up for the picnic and stuff. I go, is this the beach that I saw? No, this one is ugly. I wanted the other one.
I'm sure
We have to walk.
I just thought like we can play.
And our bag is so heavy. You know, people are on vacation when they take videos of birds. Literally. So by the way, this neck beggar, it's slapping, bro. It's slapping really hard. I'm living. In the ocean. I'm gonna get this black bag so I can see this on my phone. Yeah. Thank you. So we just chilling. Yeah, now I'm starting to feel the relaxation of the beach. I think you need to like lie down and connect with the sand and something. Because
business content.
the content, hey guys, speaking Thailand, solo business content. Well, even this class is our first class, and even now we are fighting to get content. They done.
Just like when you're done, the material stuff.
How
can you get in the start of that day? How was it?
I have them, but I can just buy Head and Shoulders. I'll be fine. That trick actually works.
Fungal infection.
I don't have it.
Guys from the comments like it is something bad. It's quicker.
It does a quicker job now. I would imagine because Martin stuff is fungus well.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Okay, another annoying thing. Not another, because it was just only one thing. But an annoying thing is the people selling like ice cream. Not to say taxi rank, Maruse Beach, Cape Town. This is the reason why people need private beaches, bro. It's the reason for private beaches, honestly.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
from yesterday. This is Zippo's pasta. They gave us a takeaway for her. I didn't see until basically today. So yeah, we'll catch up a little bit later. Let me just eat and hold my wind because right now I am hungry. So we'll talk a little bit more just now. Yeah. Good morning. It's so early in the morning. It's 4 o'clock, 4:08, something like that. And it is go time. It's Monday. I'm a bit sad. Like I just feel like let me show you how it looks outside. Yeah. So here's the night sky view. So pretty. So incredibly pretty. I also remember there's a part of the pool area I didn't show y'all where you can actually, from this building, you can see like Moses Mapira. You list stadium. That stadium, Mr. Capetown, you can see it. And then you can also see the Table Mountain within the same view. It's mad, it's crazy. So I'm having breakfast. My sister made me bacon and bread. We had a bunch of bacon left, so I'm gonna have bacon and bread, and then after that we are going to shuttle or whatever, Bolt, I don't know, Stobon, to the airport. After the airport, it is officially vacation over, and yeah, I guess I'm ending the vlog here. I will film some footage at the airport, but nothing much. I think we pretty much did it all. Well, not really, but it's been good. I've enjoyed being here. I've enjoyed recording the experience, and yeah, let me do the proper outro like a proper YouTuber, right? Thanks for watching this vlog. My name is Zizilwa Kubela and I create beauty and lifestyle content and everything YouTube good. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe just to boost the algorithm up, you know. Support a small-time YouTuber, but I don't even like that word, but well, it is where we are right now. So yeah, go ahead, like this video, share it with your friends if you must. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else